Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Immerse yourself in the fascinating world of Earthworks, where colossal machinery orchestrates an intricate ballet, transforming complex landscapes into valuable resources. This multifaceted industry not only showcases the power and precision of these colossal machines, but also highlights the delicate balance between human innovation and environmental stewardship. Witness the symbiotic relationship between industry and nature as these operations continue to shape the foundations of our modern world. The pursuit of efficiency, sustainability, and responsible resource extraction underscores the constant evolution of this dynamic industry. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Dive deeper into the mesmerizing world of Earthworks, where the symphony of machinery and skilled operators orchestrates a transformative dance across the terrain. The powerful choreography of excavators, bulldozers, and loaders unfolds a narrative of precision and strength, sculpting the landscape into a canvas for various projects. As these machines carve through the earth, they unveil the intricate collaboration between human ingenuity and the elemental forces of nature. This essential process not only lays the groundwork for future developments, but also exemplifies a profound commitment to sustainable progress. Delve into the harsh world of stone mining, where powerful machines and skilled operators work together to extract valuable minerals from the Earth's crust. In this complex industry, a symphony of equipment, from excavators to conveyors, works tirelessly to break, transport, and process rocks. The relentless pursuit of valuable resources takes place against a backdrop of dynamic landscapes, demonstrating the resilience of the human spirit and the intricacies of extracting the necessary materials. Stone mining, at its core, is a testament to the enduring relationship between industry and nature, where innovation and hard work converge to meet the needs of a rapidly evolving world. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technologies and their profound impact on various industries. Experience the fascinating process of wood chip production, where the roar of machines is harmoniously combined with the symphony of nature. In this intricate dance, logs are fed into powerful equipment, stripped of their bark, and methodically transformed into uniform wood chips. The efficiency and precision of this operation are a testament to the combination of technology and forestry expertise that ensures that every part of the tree serves a specific purpose. With their many uses, wood chips are becoming a vital resource in industries ranging from paper production to renewable energy. This sustainable approach not only maximizes the value of our forests, but also emphasizes our commitment to responsible resource management and environmental protection. Step into the dynamic field of sowing, where state-of-the-art agricultural machinery is central to the complex process of sowing seeds and caring for crops. The modern farmer relies on precision equipment such as seed drills and sowing machines to efficiently sow vast expanses of fields with a symphony of mechanical precision. These machines are equipped with advanced technologies that ensure precise seed placement, optimal spacing, and timely fertilization. This process transforms barren fields into blooming landscapes, laying the groundwork for a bountiful harvest. The synergy between technology and agriculture unfolds in every pass of the machine, emphasizing the important role these innovations play in ensuring food security and sustainable farming practices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest agricultural innovations. Discover the world of logging, a vital operation where nature meets technology to provide a sustainable source of wood. In this intricate dance between man and machine, specialized equipment such as chainsaws, harvesters, and forwarders work together seamlessly to fell, delimber, and transport trees from the forest to processing centers. The precision of these machines ensures minimal impact on the environment, allowing for responsible and sustainable forestry. The transformation of raw wood into valuable resources contributes to the production of lumber, paper, and various wood products that are essential for our daily lives. Timber harvesting is a testament to the delicate balance between meeting human needs and preserving the integrity of our forests for future generations. Dive into the world of silage production, an important agricultural process that turns fresh green grass into nutritious and easily digestible feed for livestock. The process begins with the careful cultivation of high-quality crops such as grass, corn, or alfalfa. Once the crops reach optimum maturity, specialized equipment such as forage harvesters comes into play to efficiently cut and chop the plants into smaller pieces. This chopped feed is then compacted and packed tightly into silos. This fermentation process preserves the forage, retaining its nutritional value and making it an ideal feed for cattle and other animals in times of shortage. Silage production is an important link in the agricultural chain, ensuring that farmers can provide a balanced and nutritious diet for their animals all year round. Welcome to the dynamic world of rail freight transportation, the backbone of global logistics. Crossing vast landscapes, freight trains powered by powerful locomotives move goods efficiently and reliably. From heavy machinery and raw materials to finished goods, railways play a key role in the supply chain, connecting industries and markets. The rhythmic pounding of wheels on rails demonstrates the complex coordination required for smooth transportation. Rail transportation offers sustainability benefits, contributing to emissions reduction and energy efficiency. See the fascinating intersection of engineering, logistics, and environmental responsibility as railroads continue to shape the interconnected movement of goods between continents. Immerse yourself in the heart of agricultural transportation, where the humble hay bale takes center stage. These cylindrical bales tightly packed with harvested hay are the centerpiece of a logistics ballet. Specialized trucks and trailers adapted to the unique size and weight of the bales crisscross the countryside. The transportation process involves precise loading and securing to ensure a safe journey from the fields to storage or distribution locations. Witness the harmonious coordination between machinery and manpower as these high bales cross roads and highways, playing a crucial role in keeping livestock production going throughout the season. Look at the choreography of this important agricultural transport, where each bale of hay is a bale of animal feed and a contribution to the agricultural tapestry. Enter the world of firewood harvesting, where a symphony of machines and mechanisms combine to turn raw wood into the heat that warms our homes. The sawmill, the main player in this process, takes center stage, demonstrating its mastery of precision sawing. When logs are fed into the sawmill, its sharp blades make quick and precise cuts, turning them into firewood that is easy to handle. This process not only emphasizes efficiency, but also the sustainable use of natural resources. The resulting firewood, neatly stacked and ready to use, embodies the synergy of technology and tradition, providing a vital source of energy for households around the world. Intrigued by the firewood technology? Share your thoughts below.
Enter the efficient world of demolition, where towering structures and buildings are skillfully dismantled. This intricate process employs controlled explosions, wrecking balls, and high-reach excavators, combining precision and power. Skilled professionals strategically weaken and disassemble structures, ensuring safety and minimal environmental impact. From urban renewal to removing obsolete buildings, this synergy of technology and expertise shapes the landscape for new possibilities. If you've experienced demolition firsthand or have thoughts to share, comment below and stay tuned for more innovative construction updates. Dive into the world of liquid manure filtration with the latest Wolverine agitation boat. In agriculture, where responsible waste management is paramount, this innovative machine is a beacon for environmentally friendly solutions. By separating solid components from liquid manure, the Wolverine agitation boat plays a critical role in maintaining soil health and curbing water pollution. This remarkable technology solves today's agricultural challenges and promotes environmental well-being. Experience the future of dust control with the revolutionary DustCat 5000. As industries face challenges with airborne particles, this groundbreaking vehicle emerges as a game changer, utilizing state-of-the-art technology to suppress dust and elevate air quality. From bustling construction sites to expansive mining operations, witness the transformative power of the DustCat 5000 as it redefines environments by mitigating dust and fostering safer, more sustainable surroundings. Stay tuned for more insights into cutting-edge machinery and its profound impact across diverse industries. Explore the intricate world of forest clearing, guided by the remarkable Breuer Forester DM20. Within the depths of dense wilderness, this machine takes center stage, showcasing its exceptional efficiency in systematically overcoming various obstacles with unparalleled precision. With each calculated movement, witness how this machine reshapes the landscape, creating space for new possibilities while carefully preserving the intricate balance of nature's delicate ecosystem. Explore the fascinating world of hay packaging, where the intricate process resembles the delicate balance of aquatic ecosystems. Step into the realm of the Temach T-05 Model 2018, where field preparation sets the stage for a synchronized choreography of baling. This cutting-edge equipment not only expertly wraps and compresses hay into bales, but also safeguards its nutritional value and quality. Just as nature thrives in harmony underwater, witness how the Temach T-05 Model 2018 harmonizes efficiency and precision in hay packaging. Connected to agriculture or witness bale packing technology? Subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Dive into the bustling universe of port operations, where the commanding Yieldport Puerto Bolivar cranes reign supreme. These towering behemoths serve as the guardians of seamless cargo management, orchestrating the intricate ballet of lifting and transferring containers with unparalleled accuracy. As you stand witness from sea to land, the choreographed symphony of these cranes unfolds, orchestrating the international flow of goods and underscoring the mastery of engineering that binds our interconnected globe together. Step into the world of meticulous roadside cleaning with the Duker Banket Frost SBF 900. Keeping road edges clean isn't just about aesthetics, it's a safety imperative. With its advanced capabilities, the SBF 900 expertly clears away debris and overgrown vegetation, revitalizing road borders and improving the overall visual appeal. Witness the precision of this machine as it reshapes urban landscapes, exemplifying the commitment to safer and more beautiful roads. Join us in recognizing the vital role of the Duker Banket Frost SBF 900 in enhancing road safety and the quality of our urban environments. Step into the realm of fence mesh production, where meticulous engineering meets the imperative for security. Innovative machines skillfully weave steel threads into sturdy mesh sheets, creating a formidable barrier. These versatile materials not only define boundaries, but also serve as guardians of properties, providing security and privacy. Through the intricate dance of technology and craftsmanship, witness the birth of functional yet aesthetic fence mesh, highlighting the harmonious blend of form and function in modern safety solutions. Step onto the dynamic construction side of railroads, where the symphony of progress resonates through the hum of heavy machinery. Witness the choreography of excavators digging trenches, graders meticulously leveling the terrain, and track layers precisely positioning rails. With each orchestrated movement, the intricate network that connects our world comes to life, emphasizing the synchronized teamwork and remarkable engineering prowess that drive this essential infrastructure. Intrigued by railroad construction? Share your thoughts below about the impressive railroads you've encountered. Experience the harvest firsthand with the Fendt Ideal 9T, the pinnacle of modern crop collection technology. As it moves through the fields, this machine seamlessly combines cutting-edge innovation with time-honored agricultural practices. Efficiently reaping and threshing crops ensures a plentiful yield to sustain communities. From the golden expanse of fields to the storage of granaries, observe how the Fendt Ideal 9T plays a crucial role in supporting the intricate web of our global food chain, feeding nations and driving progress. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!